In today's tech-driven world, there are so many new tools and platforms to choose from. It can be hard for business owners to figure out which ones they really need. Start off by keeping it simple. You don't need to buy all the hot new tech that's out there. You can always try out new stuff later on. The first question to ask yourself is, what are the key aspects of my business? Maybe your team is spread out in different locations, and you want to communicate with them regularly. Or you could really benefit from a graphic design tool so that you can make some flyers and a website. Once you've done your research and selected a new tool, spend some time training your employees on how to use it. Decide who's in charge of installation and upgrades, and make sure you have a backup plan in case something stops working. Remember, the first step is to identify what you really need and then weigh all your options. Taking the time to choose the right technology saves you time and money in the long run.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.